So yeah, we can get started. Yeah. Kavya and Tattva.
Pranam everyone. We, Kavya and Tata, we would like to start our welcome all of you to the monthly Bhakti of March. Thank you for joining us today.
We'll start with one Naukar.
Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayariyanam, Namo Uvajayanam, Namo Loe Savasahunam, Eso Panchanamukaro, Sava Pavapanasano, Mangyalancha Savesim, Padamam Havai Mangalam.
Me and Tata will say Shankeshwar Pashan Bhagwan Nustuti.
Shankeshwara Prabhu Pashwasame Aaj hayu kholashu Je koine kehvaya na e vata aje bolashu Sansarathi santaptachu Basavat mari manajo He Nath Mara Hridayane Shanti Samadhi Apajam Sansarana Ukaratama Aku Jagat Shoshaya Chit Kevara Amari Akha Asu Ti Satata Bhinjaya Chit Jo Antarayo Dura Karava Apa Icha Na Karo He Nath Mara Hridayane Shanti Samadhi Apajam Tu Tarashe Tu Parashe Ne Tu Mane Sambhalashe Shadahati Santapane Chayo Bani Ne Tarashe Mujhe na panano abharoso Aaj khoto thai jo He Nath Mara Hridayane Shanti Samadhi Apajam Jene sada sukh sapade raah mein jo hati ne mani pida nihari आँख मारी रोईती हे स्वार्थ गेला सौजन्य जारे पराया थाय जो हे नाथ मारा हृदयने शांति समाधि आपजम कोई करे अपराध मारो ए करम नो खेल छे हुवेर बांधु तो पव छूटવું મુશ્કેલ છે પ્રતિશોધની આગને સ્વામી તમે પૂજાવજો હે નાથ મારા હૃદયને શાંતિ સમાધિ આપજો So Neha auntie and Bila auntie would like to make some announcements related to Atmaruchi Foundation.
Thank you, Kavya and Tattva, for the beautiful stuti. And welcome everyone to our monthly bhakti. We, Kavya and Tattva, are students in the R14s, the Architecture of Reality and Bliss. And they reminded us that we missed the monthly bhakti in February. So on their request, we have this monthly bhakti in March. I have just a few quick announcements. Basically, I think you all have seen the messages about our workshop. And so I want to welcome all of you and invite all of you to join us in Orlando, Florida. We have a great program put together. It's something truly unique, never been done in the US so far. Shibirs and Maun Dhyan Shibirs are usually are always done in India. So this is the first time that we have this opportunity to do it here on a weekend, on the long weekend, Memorial Day long weekend. So hope everyone can join. Before we get into some of the details of the workshop, just very quickly wanted to give you an update of where we are with our other activities like Vayavach and Sadharmik Bhakti. So in Vayavach, so far, we have received this year, from January to March, we have received labh of many, many Maharaj Sahibs. And we have been sending these hiking barefoot shoe socks. I think all of you have seen messages about them, and some of you have volunteered to take them along with you to India or found some other friends in your network to help us with that. So we really appreciate that help. We have maxed out our fund in Vayavach. So if you would like to take labh of this, there is a huge, huge demand. We didn't expect these shoe socks to be such a super hit in the sense that they are so very useful because they are very lightweight and they are, they are like socks. So they are not like shoes in the shoe sense of it. So Maharaj Sahibs can use them. And as you know, the heat in India is so much. It's really difficult for them. They walk for 8 months in the year. So and such shoe socks are not available in India. These are very comfortable because they don't slip off. The ones that usually Maharaj Sahibs wear, they are not as comfortable to walk. This is something unique that we chanced upon, and it's all of our luck that we got this chance. We are looking for manufacturers in China. We've sent the samples. Sailesh Bhai is helping us find some people. I've reached out to a few people in my family and who travel to China for business. And we are looking for manufacturers, but until we find them, we might be Chomasa time by the time we find someone and place orders and things like that. And hopefully we do find someone. We will still have to send it from here. So this year we want to continue getting this labh from various Maharaj Sahibs. We've been able to send these shoe socks even to Delhi recently, to Bengaluru, and we got labh there as well. And definitely we are getting a lot of labh in Mumbai, Surat, Ahmedabad, all of the usual places. So do take this labh, come forward for it. Sadharmik labh, Sadharmik Bhakti, our fellow Jains families in need. We have found a very good source who is doing ground level work, really grassroots level work for Sadharmiks. Jaimini Ben, she is actually today in the morning, we did Bhakti of, we did Gunanuvad of Param Pujya Muktidarshan Suri Maharaj Sahib. And she is actually related to him. She has been supporting 150 families in Mumbai who are in need. All of them, like one example of them is, and I also want to mention that Vanita, Neil's mom, she is the one who introduced us to Jaimini Ben. So she has been providing various, needs of those families. One family, for example, went through a lot of financial crisis, because they had the main person, the breadwinner in the family, has cancer. And so he is going through a lot of treatment and, chemo and everything. And then the son in the family, I believe, also has cancer, and the wife also has not been well. So it's like 3 people in the family who aren't well. So it's a huge strain financially on the family. So we've been able to provide support to such families, and so basically paying their treatment fees. Also, school children. There are several school children whose fees have not been paid for several months because the family is going through a very tough time. So we have been able to, send these funds so that the fees can be paid directly to the schools or the tuition class. So do come forward for such lab as well in the future. But so far we have transferred this 4,500, and it will be used for these purposes. The same thing for Pasak Dhyan Center. You want to mention anything on that?
No, as we have been saying before, Pasak is a very unique project that's coming up, and recently there was also video sent on it. So I'm sure a few of you would have watched it. So
it is in Anjaneri, near Mumbai, Nasik.
Yeah. So we are collecting for that, and if anybody wants to contribute to it, I feel it's a really great use of our money. It's a great lab that we are getting. Their vision is amazing to do, and this is like the first Dhyan center of this kind in our tradition, in Jain tradition.
So again, thank you everyone for the support on all of these fronts. And we are really grateful for this lab sitting here in the US. Next, I want to talk a little bit about our Gnan Dhyan workshop. So Chalo Orlando, everyone. We have heavily subsidized the registration for members. It's just $108 per person, which includes 3 nights of hotel stay and all meals. And this is a unique opportunity. We've never done this before. No one has ever done this before in the US. There have been, shibirs of different kinds, but this is going to be unique because it is a Mon shibir. And for pretty much the entire day, you would be in Mon. It's a unique experience. We would take away the phones as well. So, that itself is a unique experience. We've forgotten how to live without our phones. So, and there are many, there are a lot of, there's a lot of research being done on how the brain starts functioning better, even with few hours of being away from the phone. So, just from that perspective too, this will be a great detox. And the highlight of the workshop is the great Guru Bhagwants who will give us this lab. They will be giving us Vanchana. So here is what one day in the shibir would look like. It's a 2.5-day shibir, a workshop, I'm sorry. And so we start the day, with registration, Naukarsi, all of that. And then we will have exclusive pravachans or vanchanas from Gurudev Shri Yasho Vijay Suri Maharaj Sahib, also known as Bhakti Yogacharya. He has been, promoting Dhyan and Mon. He himself stayed in Mon for several years in when he started out, as a sadhu. And that has translated into an extremely effective and divine speech. As you know, there are many benefits of staying Maun, and one is Vachan Siddhi. So Gurudev Shri, whatever he says is like so many people, follow him as Bhagwan itself. And so we get to experience his exclusive Machna. It's not going to be something that will be available on the YouTube or in audio recordings, any of the WhatsApp groups, anywhere else. So we have been promised that we will get an exclusive Vachana from him for the 2.5 days. Then we also have Nutan Acharya Labdhi Vallabh Suri Maharaj Sahib, who led the Siddhvar Chaturmas recently. Exclusive Vachana from him as well. And we are really honored to have, both of these Guru Bhagwans put faith in Atmaruchi Foundation to do this workshop here. And then we are also working on getting Yash Ratna Maharaj Sahib, Panyasri, to give us the Vachana as well. So these will be videos mainly, and we are working on how to make this content relatable and easy for everyone to understand. So, we will be presenting it in a format which will be unique. It's not just listening to, a pravachan like we usually do. And in between all of these pravachans, there will be dhyan sessions, so practicals. And this schedule is designed in a manner which is very similar to the Maun Dhyan Shivers, which is done for 5 to 7 days in India. And so we are following that format pretty much. It's much more rigorous than this, but since we're doing this for the first time, we'd like to give everyone a taste. And Sone Pe Suhaga is going to be Girish Bhai, Pujya Shri Girish Bhai. Whatever questions you have during the day, listening to all of these pravachans, doing all of the practicals, anything that comes to your mind, he will be there to answer those questions. And also we will have Shali Bhadra Bhai, who will be, he has an absolutely wonderful way in which he relates kathas, stories, our dharmic stories. So he will be taking one of the stories. More on these topics and things will be revealed once you register for it. But take this as a unique experience, something, that will really transform you from within. And I hope all of you can join and take labh. It will also be a way for us to all meet. As you know, we are a virtual community. So this would be a great way for everyone to meet each other, get to know each other, and, get to become friends with like-minded people. So that's it for the announcements I have. And now we can start. I give it back to, I'm sorry. Bela, is there anything you want to tell us about where we are going to stay, and also about where the workshop is going to be?
Yeah, so Jai Jinendra, everyone. My name is Bela Pokharna and I am from Orlando. And the place that we are going to meditate, do dhyan, is going to be at JVB Center. JVB is Jain Vishwa Bharati, if anybody is aware of that it's Jain, but under Acharya Mahashramanji. And they have a facility here, which is about 7 miles from the airport. And we have like murti also. So we don't do puja there, but we can definitely do darshan. We have a big hall, a small kitchen, and place to eat. The hotel is going to be about between 4 to 5 miles from JVB, and the airport is going to be about 7 miles from JVB. We also have somebody who's going to make the vegetarian fresh food for us, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And we have Disney and Universal also. If anybody want to extend their vacation, they are most welcome to do that. So please plan to book your tickets.
Let me clarify, the registration fee does not cover that.
Yeah, but that is like, you can add on, with this thing. It's like buy one, get one free. So yeah.
For those who go to Disney or Universal after this, there will be a penalty of $180.
So sorry. Rakesh bhai ne abhin. But I thought this is
fine. Yeah, I mean, that is one of the attractions for Orlando, and it's fine. People with family definitely do go there, and so they can combine it.
So
Yep,
one of the
yep.
things I wanted to mention is, we are always used to going with the family wherever we go. But it may not be possible for everyone in the family to participate in such a workshop. So there are already people who have registered, by themselves. And, the rest of the family has planned something else. So don't hesitate to register if you're the only one in the family that
Yeah.
can join. That's what I
Yeah.
also wanted to mention.
And the Disney and Universal location is very close to JVB. So, if you want to split, like kids want to go and parents want to attend the Shibir, they are most welcome to. So that's about it. If you guys have any question, then I can answer that.
Does anyone have any questions here about this workshop? Or you can, if you want to ask the questions at the end of our bhakti, we can, keep it at the end as well.
So,
Okay.
I mean, I just want to add that, if you guys are planning to attend the Shibir, please try to be here on Friday. So,
Yes.
you don't miss out anything from Saturday morning.
Correct. Yes, because our schedule starts from Saturday morning. Yes.
Yeah.
Veda.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So those were all the announcement. Back to Tattva and Kavya. Yeah, you guys have a question?
Yeah, when is the date of this?
It's the Memorial Day long weekend. So May
23rd.
23rd, 24th, and then Monday 25th, half a day of Monday. So we'll start on Saturday morning and end by Monday noon.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's over to you, Kavya and Tattva. We can start our Chaitya Bandhan.
Okay,
And
so-
everyone just, wanted to mention, like everyone knows when their turn is. So hopefully in between the Chaitya Bandhan, we don't have to, disturb each other and disturb the bhakti. So please stay, keep yourself ready and unmuted whenever your turn comes.
Okay, so now we're going to start Chaitya Bandhan. Chami Kamasino Vandium Jani Jani Siya Mathen Vandami.
Ichaka.
We don't say it.
This Logos.
Oh,
So
wait,
over
do we
to
have
you,
to
Harsha.
sit us?
No, we don't say it.
Harsha?
Yeah, Harsh.
Ichchakare Sandesa Bhagan, Iriya Priyam Padikamami, Ichchami Padikam. Iriya Viraye Virana Gamla Gamle, Manakamle Biyakam, Hariyakam, Osa, Tinga, Panaga, Daga, Matti, Bakda, Santana, Sankame, Jayme Jiva Viraya, Egindia, Birindia, Tindia, Chorindia, Panchindia. Abhiya, Vatiya, Desya, Sangaya, Sangatya, Paryavya, Kilamiya, Udavya, Tana, Utana, Sankamya, Jivya, Vavravya, Tassa Michami Dukram, Tassa Utrikarnenam, Payachitta Karnenam, Visoi Karnenam, Visarli Karnenam, Pavanam, Kambanam, Nigyantai, Tamikavsakam, Anatta, Usasiyanam, Nisasiyanam, Kasiyanam, Chiyanam, Jambayanam, Duyanam, Vayanam, Bhavaliya Pitamcha, Sume Yanga Sanchamin, Sume Kila Sanchamin, Sume Ditti Sanchamin, Eyumai, Ehim, Agarim, Avago, Ovirayo, Uchimeka Sakka, Javaryantana, Bhagavantana, Namukarim, Naparim, તાવકારણ ઠાણેણું વણેણું એક લોગસનો કૌશક જાણેણું અપાણું વોસીરાણું.
नमो
નમો બધા આવી ગયા
हाँ
લોક સર્વોચ્ચો અગરે ધમ્મતિ થરે જીણે હરિવંતે કીર્તયસમ ચૌવીસમ પી કેવલી ઉત્સવમ જીવન ચ વંદે સંભવમ પ્રિયંદનમ ચ સુમયમ ચ પવમ પવમ સુપાસમ જીણં ચ ચંદપહમ વંદે સુમયમ ચ પોફદંતમ સિયલસિચ્છં સવાસુપુચ્છં ચ વિમલમણંतं ચ જીણં ધમ્મં સંતિં ચ વંદામિ કુંતુમ અરં ચ મલ્લિં વંદે મુનિસુપયં નમે જીણં ચ વંદામિ રિક્તનેમિં આસંતઃ વર્તમાनं ચ एवं मैं अपितुः विवरे मलपैन जलमरण चौबीसं जीवन तीर्थैरामे पश्यन्तु कितीयवन्दी अमय्य जे लोक सौत्तमासित आरुक्य भोहिलाभं समारि भरमुत्तमं लिन्तु चन्देषु निमग्नया ऐच्छेषु अयं पयासे सागर वर्गं मीरा सिद्धा सिद्धि मम दिसन्तु
Mikhamasmano Vandiyum Janichai Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. Ichami Kamasmano Vandiyum Janichai Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. Ichami Kamasmano Vandiyum Janichai Nisihiyai Mathen Vandami. इच्छा कारणस्नि स भगवान चैतन्य करो इच्छम सकल कुशल पुष्करावत में को द्वित में भानु कल्प वृक्ष मान पवचन निधि पुद सर्व संपत्ति हेतु सबवतु सततम शेष शांति नाथ शेष पार्श्वनाथ ओम नमो पार्श्वनाथाय विश्वचिंतामणीयते ह्रीं धर्मेन्द्र वैरुध्या पद्मादेवी उत्तायते शांति तुष्टि महापुषि द्युति कीर्ति विदायिने ओम ह्रीं द्विव्याल वैताल सर्वादिव्याधि नाशिने जयाचिताख्य विजयाख्य पराजितयान्वित दिशां पालय ग्रह यक्ष विद्या देवी भिरन्वित ओम अस्यासा नमस्तते चतुष्षष्टि सुरेन्द्राशासनते चतुर्चामरै शंखेश्वर मंडल पार्श्वचिन्ह प्रणत कल्पतरुकल्प चूय दुष्ट व्रतम पुरय में वांछितमनाथ
શૈલેષભાઈ અથવા સ્વાતિબેન જનકિંચી જોઈન થયા છે શૈલેષભાઈ સ્વાતિબેન
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Jankinchi naam titham sagge payali manuseloe jain chirbimbahim taim shamvahim mandamim namotthunam arihantanam bhagavantanam aigaranam tithairanam swayam sambuddhanam purishottamanam purishasinhanam purishavarapundariyanam purishavaragandhathinam लोकोत्तमानं लोगनाहनं लोगहीयानं लोगपगीवानं लोगपजोगरानं अभयोदयानं चक्षुदयानं मग्गदयानं शरणदयानं भोगीदयानं धम्मदयानं धम्मदेशयानं धम्मनायगानं धम्मसारहीणं धम्मवरचाऊरन्तचक्रवर्तीणम् अपरिहयवरणानं दंसनोधराणं व्यटचौवाणं जिनानं जावयानं तिन्नानं तारयानं बुद्धानं भोगयानं बुद्धानं भोगानं शपन्नूनं शबदरीषीणं शिवमयलमरुवमनन्तमक्षयमब्बबाह पुनराभिक्ति सिद्धिकै नामधेयं ध्यानं सम्पत्तानं नमो जिनानं जीवयानं जिगया सिद्धा जिग भविष्यन्ति नागय काले शब्दय वर्तमाना शब्वेति विहेन वन्दामि જાવંગ તીછે કી કાની ગુટે કા કખી ખ તીરી લોગે સમાઈ તાઈ બંદે યો સંતો તત્વ સંતાની ઈચ્છામી ખમા સમણું વંદી હું જાવડી જાય નિસી આય થે નોંદામી જાવંગ તો કે વિસાગુ ભરઘેર વહ મહાવિદેહે કા સભ્ય સીતે સી પડો દિવ્યેન દંડ વિજ્ઞાનમ નમો સિદ્ધાચાર્ય પાધ્યાય સરસાધુભ્ય
Wait, do the one thing. Like everyone sings this line. માતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે જમવા વેળા થઈ છે રમવાને શિર જાય ચાલો तात तुम्हारा बहु થાય ઉતાવળે વેલા હાલો ને ભોજનિયા તાડા થાય માતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે માનું વચન સુનીને જમવાને બહુ પ્રેમ શૂરે બુદ્ધિ બાજુ ઢાળી બેઠા થઈ હોશિયાર વિનય થળ અજુવારી લાલન આગળ મૂક્યો રે વિવેક વાટકીયો શોભાવે થાળ મોસાર માતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે સમકિત શિલડીના ચોલીને ગાંઠા મૂકિયારે દાનના દાડમ દાના ફોલી આપ્યા ખાસ સમતા સીતાફળનો રસ પીજો બહુ રાજીયારે जुगते जामफल आरोगोने प्यारा पास माता वामादे बोलावे जमवा पार्श्वने रे मारा नदियाने चोखा चितना चूरमारे समति साकर ऊपर भाव कृत भक्ति भजिया पिरस्या पास कुमार ने प्रेम शूरे अनुभव अथाना चखो ने राखो शरत माता वामादे बोलावे जमवा पार्श्वने रे प्रभु ने गुण गुंजाने ज्ञान पीरस्यारे प्रेमना पेड़ा जमजो मानव धारण काज जानपणा निज लेबी जमता भांजे भूखड़ी दया दुदपक अमीरस आरोगोने आज माता वामादे बोलावे जमवा पार्श्वने रे संतोष शिरोने वळी पुण्यनी पूरी पीरसीरे संवेग शाक बलाचे दातार ढीली डाल मोता माल पुआने प्रभावनाना पुंडलारे विचार वळी वगारी जमजो मारा लाल माता वामा बोलावे जमवा पार्श्वने रे रुचि रायता रूड़ा पवित्र पापड़ पीरस्यारे ચતુરાઈ ચોખ ઓસાવી આન્યા છે ભરપૂર ઉપર ઇન્દ્રિય દમન દુધ તપ તાપે તાપલું કરી રે પ્રીતે પીરસ્યું જમજો જગજીવન સહનું રમાતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે પ્રીતિ પાણી પીયા પ્રભાવતીના હાથથી રે તત્વ તંબોળ લીધા શિયાળ સોપારી સાથ અક્કડ ઇલાયચી આપીને માતા મુખ વડે રે ત્રિભુવન તારી તરજો જગજીવન જગન્નાથ માતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે પ્રભુને થાળ તનાજે ગુણ ગાવે ને સાંભળે રે ભેદ ભેદાંતર સમજે જ્ઞાની તે કહેવાય ગુરુ ગુમન વિજય નો શિષ્ય કહે શિરનામીને રે સૌભાગ્ય વિજય થાય ગુણ ગાવે જે સદાય માતા વામાદે બોલાવે જમવા પાર્શ્વને રે. Now we're gonna sing Koyal Tahukki. कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में पाश मारिया बसो मेरे मन में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में काशी देश वाराणसी नगरी जन्म लियो प्रभु क्षत्रिय कुल में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में बाळपना मां अद्भुत ज्ञानी कमठ कुमान हयो एक पल में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में नागनी काला काष्ठ चिराग नाग को सुरपति कियो एक क्षण में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में संयम लई प्रभु विचरवा लाग्या संयम बीज गयो एक रंग में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में समेत शिखर प्रभु मोक्ष सिधाव्या पार्श्वजी को महिमा तीर्ण भुवन में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में उदय रत्न की एही अरज है दिल अटक्यो तोरा चरण कमल में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में पार्श्व श्यामलिया बसो मेरे मन में कोयल टहुकी रही मधुवन में.
आदेश. मनमोहन प्रभु पास जी सुनो जगत आधार जी शरणे आव्यो प्रभु ताहरे मुझ दुरित निवार जी मनमोहन प्रभु पास जी विषय कषायना पाशमा भम्यो काल अनंतजी राग द्वेष महा चोरटा लूट्यो धर्मनो पंथजी मनमोहन प्रभु पार्श्वजी पण कोई पूरव पुण्यથી મળ્યા શ્રીજીના રાજજી ભવ સમુદ્રમાં બુડતા અવલંબન જીમ જહાજજી મનમોહન પ્રભુ પાસજી કમઠે નિજ અજ્ઞાનથી ઉપસર્ગ કીધા બહુ જાતજી ધ્યાન નલ પ્રગટાવીને કીધો કર્મનો ઘાતજી મનમોહન પ્રભુ પાસજી કેવળ જ્ઞાનથી દેખ્યું લોકાલોક સ્વરૂપજી વિજય મુક્તિ પદે જઈવર્યું સાદી અનંત ચિદ રૂપજી મનમોહન પ્રભુ પાસજી તે પદ પામવા ચાહતો તે પદ પામવા ચાહતો મોહન કમલનો દાસજી મનમોહન પ્રભુ માહરી પૂરો મનની આશજી મનમોહન પ્રભુ પાસજી સોણો જગત આધારજી શરણે આવ્યો પ્રભુ તાહરે મુજ દુરિત નિવારજી
ફાલ્ગુનીબેન.
આદેશ આપજો. તમે બોલો બોલો ને પારસનાથ બાળક તમને બોલાવે. તમે આખલડી ખોલો ને એક વાર બાળક તમને બોલાવે. મારા કરેલા તે કરે મો આજે નડ્યા મારા અવળા તે લેખો કોને લખ્યા મારા પુરવના પ્રગટ્યા છે પાપ બાળક તમને બોલાવે. તમે બોલો બોલો ને પારસનાથ બાળક તમને બોલાવે. કંઠ સુકાય મુખથી બોલાતું નથી શ્વાસ રૂંધાય આંખે દેખાતું નથી હું તો રડું છું હૈયા પાર બાળક તમને બોલાવે. મારી આશાનો દીપક બુઝાઈ ગયો ચારે કોર અંધકાર છવાઈ ગયો મારા જીવનમાં પડી છે હડતાલ બાળક તમને બોલાવે. તમે શાંતિની ગોદમાં પોઢી ગયા તરે છોડી જતાન આવી દયા હવે ક્યાં સુધી કરે સો વિશ્રામ બાળક તમને બોલાવે. મારી આંખોના આંસુ કોણ છે મારી ભક્તિના ભાવો કોણ પૂછે જ્ઞાન વિમલ સદા ગુણ ગાય બાળક તમને બોલાવે. તમે આખલડી ખોલો ને એકવાર બાળક તમને બોલાવે.
રીજુ. Inju beta?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you sing?
Okay. First chicken and then let's start. आँखियाँ हर खन लागे हमारी आँखियाँ हर खन लागे आँखियाँ हर खन लागे हमारी आँखियाँ हर खन लागे दर्शन देखत पार्श्वजिनन को दर्शन देखत पार्श्वजिनन को भाग्य दशा अब ये आँखियाँ हर घनी लागे हमारी आँखियाँ हर घन लागे अकल रूपी अकल रूपी और अविनाशी जग में तू ही निरागी सूरत सुंदर आश्चर्य जग जनने करे रागी आँखियाँ हर घन लागे हमारी आँखियाँ हर घन लागे शरणागत प्रभु शरणागत प्रभु तुझ पद पंकज सिवन मुझ मति जागी लीला लहरे दे निज पदवी तुम सम को नहीं त्यागी आँखियाँ हर घन लागी हमारी आँखियाँ हर घन लागी वामानन चंदननी परी शीतल तू सौभागी ज्ञान विमल प्रभु ध्यान धरंता भव भय भावठ भांगी आँखियाँ हर घन लागे हमारी आँखियाँ हर घन लागे Thank you.
Mere Sahib, this is your 9 o'clock. Mere Sahib, where are you singing? It's your turn. That's
Go
it.
ahead, Neil.
Neil?
Neil's turn. Yeah.
Yep, go ahead.
Come on, Neil.
मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो प्रभु पास जिनंदा प्रभु पास जिनंदा तुझ मत गार करे हो मैं तुझ मत गार करे हो तुझ मत गार करे हो मैं तेरा पंता मैं तेरा बंदा मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो प्रभु पास जिनंदा प्रभु पास जिनंदा Next. म्यूट कर दो छापड़ो
मैं चकोर कर चाकरी जब तुम ही चंदा हार, जब तुम ही चंदा, जब तुम ही चंदा, चक्रवाक में पूरी रहो, चक्रवाक में पूरी रहो, जब तुम ही जिनंदा, जब तुम ही जिनंदा, मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, प्रभु पास जिनंदा। मधुकर पंडेरने जनू जब तुम्हार विंदा, जब तुम्हार विंदा, जब तुम्हार विंदा, भक्ति कर्म करने पड़े, भक्ति कर्म करने करे जब, तब तुम ही गोविंदा, तब तुम ही गोविंदा, मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, प्रभु पास जिनंदा।
दिल बेटा प्लीज।
तुम जब कर जित तनेक पनेक तब मिशकीन अंदार, तब मिशकीन अंदार, तब मिशकीन अंदार, तुम सायर जब में कदा, तुम सायर जब में कदा, सुन सरिता पंता, सुन सरिता पंता, मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, प्रभु पास जिनंदा। दूर करो तन पास जी भव दुख का पंदा, हाँ दूर करो तन पास जी भव दुख का पंदा, भव दुख का पंदा, भव दुख का पंदा, वाचक जस कहीं कास हो, वाचक जस कहीं कास हो, मैं परमानंदा, मैं परमानंदा, मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, तुझ मत गारी करे हो मैं, किज मत गारी करीब हो, तुझ मत गारी करी हो, मैं तेरा पंता, मैं तेरा पंता, मेरे साहिब तुम ही हो, प्रभु पास जिनंदा, 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 प्रभु पास जिनंदा।
Next we have Chandra Prabhu. Chandra Prabhu. Yeah, Chandra Prabhu.
Don't scratch, don't scratch. You sing
Neil, sing the song, Chandra Prabhu.
On Neil, we want to hear Chandra Prabhu, your favorite Stavan.
Shri Chandra Prabhu Jain Pad Seva. Let's say that.
श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिन पद सेवा, वो हेवाए जे हलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा हो हेवाए जे हलिया जी आत्म गुण अनुभव थी मनिया ओ के भव भयती टलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा ओ हेवाए जे हलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा
द्रव्य से नीलो प्लीज द्रव्य से द्रव्य से द्रव्य से
द्रव्य सेव वंदन नमनादिक अर्चन वलि गुण गामोजी अर्चन वलि गुण ग्रामोजी ओ भावय वेद थवानी हाँ परबा वेनी कामोजी परभावेनी कामोजी ओ श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा हेवाए जे हलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा
भाव से
भाव सेवायप वादे नहीं गम प्रभु गुण ने संकल्पे जी प्रभु गुण ने संकल्पे जी ओ संग्रह सत्ता तुल्यारोपे वेदा वेद विकल्पे जी वेदा वेद विकल्पे जी ओ श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा ओ निवाय जी हलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा व्यवहारे बहुमान ज्ञान निज चरने जिन गुण रमना जी चरने जिन गुण रमना जी ओ प्रभु गुण आलम परिणामे रुजुपद ध्यान स्मरणा जी रुजुपद ध्यान स्मरणा जी ओ श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा ओ हेवाए जे हलिया जी श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा शब्दे शुक्ल ध्यानारो अन समपि रुर गुण दस में जी समबीरुर गुण दस में जी। ओ पीय शुक्ल अभी कल्प एकत्वे एवं भूत ते अम में जी। एवं भूत ते अम में जी। ओ श्री चंद्र प्रभा जिन पद सेवा एवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभा जिन पद सेवा। उत्सर्गे सम
समकित गुण
समकित गुण प्रगट्यो नैगम प्रभुता अंश जी। नैगम प्रभुता अंश जी। संग्रह आत्म सत्तालंबी मुनिपद भाव प्रशंसे जी। मुनिपद भाव प्रशंसे जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिन पद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिन पद सेवा। रुजुसूत्रे जे श्रेणीपदहस्ते आत्म शक्ति प्रकाश जी। आत्म शक्ति प्रकाश जी। यथाख्यात पद शब्द स्वरूपे शुद्ध धर्म उल्लास जी। शुद्ध धर्म उल्लास जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिन पद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिन पद सेवा। भाव सयोगी योगी सैनेश्वरी अंतिम दुगनय जानो जी। अंतिम दुगनय जानो जी। साधनताए निज गुण व्यक्ति तेख सेवन अवखानो जी। तेख सेवन अवखानो जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभा जिन पद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभा जिन पद सेवा। कारण पावते अपवादी कार्य रूप उत्सर्गे जी, कार्य रूप उत्सर्गे जी। आत्म भाव ते भाव द्रव्य पद बाय प्रवृत्ति निसर्गे जी, बाय प्रवृत्ति निसर्गे जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हनिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा। हो कारण भाव परंपरा सेवन प्रगटे कार्य भावो जी, प्रगटे कार्य भावो जी। कार्य सीधे कारणता व्यय सूचि परिणामिक भावो जी, सूचि परिणामिक भावो जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हनिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभ जिनपद सेवा। परम गुणी सेवन तन्मयता निश्चय ध्याने ध्यावे जी, निश्चय ध्याने ध्यावे जी। ओ शुद्धात्म अनुभवया स्वादी देव चंद्र पद पामे जी, देव चंद्र पद पामे जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हनिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हनिया जी। आत्म गुण अनुभव थी मलिया के भव भयती टलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद सेवा हिवाए जे हलिया जी। श्री चंद्र प्रभर जिनपद से।
Great, thank you, Neil. Jai Veera.
Soham, Dharan, Ashvi.
बोल सो
जय विराय जगुकुरु होमम तुगवावो भयवम भवनिव्योमगन सार्य इतफल सिद्धि लघुव्युचार गुरुजय पुआ पर्ट करणाम च सुगो जोगो तेवना सेवना आवमखंडा वारी जय नियना बंधना विराय तू समयता वि मम हुजसे भव भवतुम चलनानम Tukoko kamako samai marancha builabo sampaja mahayam tuhana panam karnanam sarva mangala mangalyam sarva kalana karanam pradhanam sarva dharmanam jainam jaiti shasanam Aryan Chayanam Karmi Kasagam Vandam Vatyai Puran Vatyai Sakar Vatyai Saman Vatyai Buila Vatyai Nirsaga Vatyai Sadaye Mehaye Dhiye Dharnaye Aniparaye Vadamane Thamika Sagam. Do I say
Anatha.
Anatha Upsasyam Desasyam Khasyanam Chinam Jambayam Udayam Vanisgam Pamli Pitumutram Sumem Ang Sansalam Sumem Kil Sansalam Sumem Diti Sansalam Ehim Agarim Abago Avaraya Hujume Kasako Shavantanam Vakantanam Nam Karanam Na Paramitav Karanam Thainam Moinam Jainam Apanam Vosrami. Sankheshwar Pasaji
Namorat.
Namorat Siddhachar Padhya Sarvasadhuvya Sankheshwar Pasaji Pujye Nar Bhavano Lavo Lijye Madavanchita Purana Surataru Jayavama Sutta Alave Saru.
Very nice. Ichami Kamasmo.
Chami Kumasam no Vandiyam Jamnajan Nesyai Matayam.
Very nice. Thank you everyone for the wonderful Chaitya Bandhan.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Riju. Beautifully sung. Thank you. Everybody else, Falguni also, really good job. And who else was there? Kavya and
The
Tattva. The hosts. Where did the hosts become ghosts? Are they there? Or they left?
No, we're here.
They're here.
Good job,
Great
Kavya,
job.
Tattva.
Very nice.
And thank you everyone for participating. Thank you, Neil.
Very nice, Neil. I don't know if everybody knows, but tomorrow is the Tithi of Muktidarshan Suri Maharaj Sahib and his Kaldharma Tithi. And Neil was blessed by Muktidarshan Suri Maharaj Sahib to learn the toughest of stavans. So great job, Neil. All right, then
Thank you.
everybody keep in mind the Gyan Dhyanship workshop and do join us. We will have wonderful bhakti at the end of the day after where we complete our mon and then we can talk to each other and we can listen to such wonderful bhakti. So do join. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team, Bela, Jalpa, or either of us. Jai Jinendra.
Thank you, Jay. Thank you so
Jai
much.
Jinendra.
Appreciate
It was a nice
Thank you,
celebration.
Guru
Jai
Modna.
Shinanda, thank you.
Nice celebration of the Kalyanaks. Today's Parshvanath Bhagwan Chavan Kalyanak and Keval Gnan Kalyanak and Chandraprabh Swami's Chavan Kalyanak tomorrow. So thank you everyone for the celebration. Jai Jinendra.